This overview is going to start with the home page. So when you first sign in, you're going to land on this page here. All of these buttons, these boxes with the names on them, these are menus. These will take you to those areas. Same as across the top. These are also menus that will take you to where you need to go. At any point in time, when you're in the database, if you click on the icon of SI2, again, it will take you back to that home page. Another feature that's going to be really helpful in here is this global search. So at the very top of every page, it will be this ability to search. And you can type in a name, a district, any sort of naming function or code that you put on documents, that you put on assessments, whatever it is that you use for a naming feature, you can type in up top. And what you want to type in is just the keyword. It isn't a big sentence. It isn't like Google, but you can type in whatever it is that you're looking for. Hit search. And here's all the different types of search results that will come up with there. You can go underneath each of these features or just in this list of everything, click on it and it will take you to that information. So when you're on this home page and you go to drill down now, whether you use the menus across the top or one of the menus on the bottom here, you click on it and the very first page that you get to is going to be in a list view. This is a little different and it's new, but this is, so for example, this menu took me to service logs. So all of your service logs will be here. And on this page, you'll see all of the service logs listed. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice this drop-down list. This is a set of predetermined or customizable search features or filters, if you will. So you can show all of the service logs that are in the database. You can show just the ones related to you. You can jump down to recently viewed. And in this particular case, the recently viewed filter is what's called pinned. So that means every time you come to the service logs, you're going to go to the recently viewed service logs first. You can also change that to whatever filter you want. Click pinned, and then now, from now on, when you go back to service logs, it will be whatever it was you pinned the last time you signed in. Over to the far right, you're going to see buttons. These buttons are what they call quick action buttons. So things that you may need to do or work on, things that you do often, you'll come over to these buttons, you'll click on them, and it will take you to, like in this particular case, the printable view of that service log. And then it will list everything that's in here. You can also create a new service log. So you click on that button and it opens up the process for you creating a new service log. Those are your quick action buttons. The quick action buttons will be different on each page. They can also be modified. Within this list view, anytime you see the text is in blue font, what that means is that is a hyperlink that you can click on and drill down into. So in this particular case, let's go to student, Layla test student, and this will take you to Layla's page. This is the student information page. Now, when you drill down from the list view into this next level, you're getting more granular in what you're looking for information-wise. This page is not in the list view. It actually has ribbons, which these gray ribbons here that you see. These ribbons can be expanded and enclosed. The other part of these pages are you've got these tabs similar to what we had in the old version, but you can click on the tab and then it takes you to the information on those tabs. When you see a large group like this or a box, that's an object. And again, where there's blue, you can drill down. And what this shows you in this particular case, for Layla, here's a list of all of her service plans. We go back to her general information and you see that the ribbons have been closed. You can open them up again at any point in time, but they're going to be whatever you left them at when you switched to another page and came back. I'm not going to get into the student information yet. This will be a later training video. You'll also notice on the second level, when you drill down past the list views and you come down into this information, in this case, the student information, you'll see these, you have to drag your cursor over it, but you'll see editing pencils. So if you click on that, what that pencil does is it opens up that section for you to then go in and edit it. At the bottom, there'll always be a save and or cancel button. Another way to do this is quick action buttons over on the far right. In this particular case, there are so many on the student layout that they can't just be buttons on the side. There's a drop-down menu, and you can go to these other quick action buttons, such as edit. You click on that, and it opens up a window for you to then go in and edit everything for the student that you see here. And then again, at the end, it's cancel. You can save it and create a new one, or you can just save it. I know this video was very quick, and I'm trying to keep them short to help introduce the database to you and give you some sort of training that's readily accessible as you need them when you need them. The next training videos will go deeper into the specific functions, such as things like service logs, service plans, trainings, referrals, December 1 count, adding your grant. We'll go more in depth, and each of those will be individual training videos. Forgive the lack of the Spielberg finesse in creating this video. Again, it was just meant to be quick, get it out there, and get you ready for jumping in and using this new database. It's absolutely spectacular. I can't wait for you to see it.